Language focus. Should and shouldn't. We use should and shouldn't to give advice. You shouldn't eat a lot of sweets. You shouldn't eat them regularly. You should eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. You should eat them regularly.
Make sentences. Use a word or words from each column.
You should eat vegetables regularly. You shouldn't cross the road carelessly. You should cross the road carefully. You should answer your teacher politely. You shouldn't talk in the class loudly.